When trying to decide if you are using productive thinking or some kind of thinking trap or ruminating, the best question to ask yourself is it helpful? Is the thinking process that I'm using right now leading me to some kind of helpful solution or some kind of peace about the situation? Or am I feeling more stressed and more worked up after I have been thinking? For example, when I'm thinking in some kind of productive way, it's usually I'm thinking in some kind of linear way. I start with a problem, I start thinking through what has happened, what are some solutions, and by the end, I'm feeling more peaceful and more calm about what I can do now. On the other hand, when I'm thinking through something and it's in more of a thinking trap or a ruminating way, it's more of a circular pattern, meaning that I start with the problem, I start thinking of solutions, and I usually double back on the problem and I start really spiraling with it. And usually, when I'm done with some kind of ruminating or thinking trap, I feel more stressed, less peaceful. I don't really have an idea of how I'm going to move forward or how there could be some solution. So, again, when you're asking yourself, am I doing some kind of productive thinking or am I being trapped in some kind of ruminating or thinking pattern, the question to ask yourself is it helpful?